Guys, it's JetRex103 here, and we are back with some more astroneer, and in between episodes, I got a cart tractor. I mean, no, you already know that. I got two trailers. So right now, I'm gonna go get some of this stuff. Organic is what it's called. And I'm gonna go get some of that. If I push a tether, dang it, okay, it won't work. I'm just getting a bit of organic so that I can have fuel for my tractor. My tractor. I just need one more thing. And maybe just two. Oh god. So yeah, I should be good. So I'm gonna go look for some stuff, see if I can find anything. And then I think we're gonna go back into the caves. So okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, I'm gonna go down into the caves in this episode to just see what I can find down there. So oh fudge, laterite, no, laterite. Ooh, almost fell. Oh, is that laterite? No, that's just clay. I get clay here. I'm actually gonna look up what clay does in this game, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just found out what the clay does, so here it is. I gotta go bake this, which I kind of knew you had to bake it. Just didn't know what it makes. It makes ceramic, and ceramic makes a drill, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it's making ceramic. And I just need this I already have my backpack printer. So now I just need, if I go into here, this is backpack printer. It should be in the drills. Yeah, ceramic. 1,000 bytes. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video until I get 1,000 bytes, guys. So, might be a while for me, but it'll only be a second for you. Actually, I said we were gonna go into the caves this episode, and I'm gonna go into the caves to get my stuff that I need. If you hear paper crumbling, that's my brother, Elliot. Where is... This definitely isn't it. Because, yeah, that's definitely not it. Oh, I see it. I always forget, it's in this area right here. Here it is. Let me go get some of this purple stuff over here. Fudge, tether's not placed in the right spot. Ah! I fell. Oh god. One of those things. Yeah, I need that. I'm just making that so when I need to get it. Hard. Then you gotta get that. not enough. Yeah, well, obviously it's not enough. I gotta go, maybe if I go up here, I need to find one of those crystal things, is what I need to do. I think I saw, no, I saw one over here before, I think. So like a faint shines. What's that? Oh, just more. What is it called? What is it called? Laterite. Just some more of that. You see, there's like something shiny up there, but I think it's just laterite. Yeah. Yeah, it's just laterite. But if I go deeper in, I think I saw it over. What day? Oh, day. Back here. I'm gonna make like a little ramp up here so that I can. Oh God! Just gonna make like a little hole so that I can just get through here if I need to. Here's some more of that stuff. Sapphirite, but I don't need sapphirite. Oh, fudge, I don't have any more of this. I'm just gonna have to go look for crystals now, because I'm out of tethers. Ooh. Oh no, I can make some, but yeah, I'm not going to. Okay, I think I'm just gonna find some crystals and stuff. So I'm gonna pause the video until I get almost enough. Okay guys, so I've been waiting for about 30 minutes now, and yeah, so I got everything that I need to make the small drill, if I can find it. Oh, there it is, drill mod 1. Oh gosh, okay. I'm gonna empty out my inventory first, because I'm filled with all of this. So yeah, sorry if you couldn't hear me too good just then. I just realized that my mic was up. But yeah, so drill mod. Here it is, guys. How does it work? The forms some hard terrain. Oh, what? Yeah, I gotta look up how this works. Okay, guys, so I kind of figured out what it does. Not too much, but okay, guys, sorry about that. I just had to do something quickly. Yeah, I don't know what this drill mod does. Like, honestly. Doesn't look like it does anything. But you never know. Oh boy. That's a far drop. Yeah, definitely not going down there. Nope. Yeah, it just says that. I don't really understand what it does. To be honest, it doesn't really actually say what it is. So. Yeah, maybe if I look in here and I look at it. No, it just doesn't say. How do I... What do I do with it? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I figured it out. It has to be on the terrain tool. I didn't know that. So let's do that. And do that. And do that. Now take the drill mod and put it on there. I honestly don't really see an improvement. But I mean, I guess there is one. So, like, if there is one, you gotta trust it. You know? I'm definitely running faster, but I don't think that's really the drill mod doing anything. Let me look in here for any, like, whatever it's called. I don't think there's gonna be any. Okay. Another cave. I know I'm running out of air, guys. But, like, I am okay. That's nothing. Dude, this is weird. Okay, I'm gonna go back get some air, and then I think once I get to base, I'm gonna end this episode. Run, 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 run. I always wonder why you can't build even though it says that you can. Oh, fudge. Where did that tether go? That's weird. I'm gonna pause and fix this quickly, guys.